Here, okay. Now pull the ponytail and twist. Twist it and then grab the hair. Grab the hair, put inside. Because you give up right away.
What?
Yep, twist.
I see a boat.
Twist, open the ponytail, and then grab the hair.
I'm trying.
Grab the hair. Grab the hair. Then pull the hair in the other side. Pull the hair in the other side. I know you are trying.
Mommy, I just want my mom. Mommy, can we just do tomorrow? Please.
If you're gonna do today and tomorrow, it's gonna be the same thing. You need to try and try and try.
I did already.
That's it?
Mommy, it's because I just didn't.
Okay, twist.
Ow.
Twist and open.
I'm trying.
And then grab the hair. Use the other hand to grab the ponytail.
I'm trying. Listen, I'm just trying here, Mom. Ow. Help me. Help me.
No, you do it your own.
Mommy, ow. This hurts you now.
Okay, again. Start over. Start
Mommy,
over.
another
Okay,
heart.
how's the other hand? The other hand should be holding the ponytail.
This one?
Okay, yep. Okay. All right, grab the hair. There we go. First step. Then second, twist the ponytail open. Just twist one time and then grab the hair. Grab the hair inside. Use the other hand to grab the ponytail. There we go. Okay, now twist again.
Ow.
Twist the ponytail again.
Only one more twist?
Yes, and grab the hair. Grab the hair.
Ow.
Grab the hair.
I'm trying.
Okay, come on. Now, there we go. Wow, see? You're doing right, except you just needed to tighten it up. Tighter it up.
I'm trying to tighten it up, but I don't know how to tighten it up.
It's okay. You can do it next time. You can tighten it up next time, okay?
I'm trying.
I know. All right. Let go. Let me see.
Ow, that hurt. That hurt. Oh my god.
Yep. Okay, grab the hair. And then use the other hand. There we go. Okay, twist again. Do the same thing. Okay, grab the hair. And then use the other hand to pull the ponytail.
One more, right? One more twist?
Yes.
And then you need to tie it?
Yes, that is the correct way. All you gotta do is make it tight.
I got two ponytails, right?
Yes. Okay, that should be fine. No. That should be fine, Ben. Let go. Let go. See if it's correct one. See? You did it good, Ben. But it's not tight. Okay? Next time you do it tight.
I don't
Okay.
know how to twist it.
You did the twist.
I don't know how to tie it, I mean.